Multiply decimals. Say I have 0.50 times 0.06. I can estimate that. .5 rounds up to 1, and .06 is pretty close to 0, and so my answer should be pretty close to 0. So let's go ahead and set this up and line up the numbers. So I have 0, 5, 0 times 0, 0, 6. So my first step is to multiply as with whole numbers. So 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 5 is 30. And 6 times 0 plus 3 is 3. And I know these other two zeros will remain zeros for everything else, and so I'm done. So the second step is to count the decimal places. If I count the decimal places, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 decimal places behind the decimal, or rather to the right of the decimal. And so that means I'm going to have to move my decimal place, starting at the right, 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So my decimal place goes right there, which means I'm going to annex a 0. And so my final answer is 0.03. And that is pretty close to my estimate. And so the last step here is to move the decimal over from the right.